Hi, Skippy. They say that birds, these conure parrots, need toys to keep them busy. Yeah, we're busy. See? Bought toys today. And we like the bag. Peekabird. Say hi, Skippy. Hey, lots of toys. Lots of toys. But, like a kid, what's more fun? The box, the bag. Hey. Get the bag, Skippy. Get that bag. Peekabird. I see you. You gonna talk? Skippy. Skippy. Oh. Hi, Skippy. Hi, Skippy. Oh, yes. The bag is fun. The bag is fun, eh? You're so cute. Yeah, you're cute. Oh, yeah, you know it too. Are you cute? Are you cute? Are you? Say yes. I'm cute. I'm cute. Look at me, cute. Oh, yeah, bebop. There you go. That's a cute bird. Come on, baby. Come and see Mom. I love you, Skippy. You're such a baby. Oh, look at that baby. Yeah. Oh, yes, he's a baby.